Trump, Sayler, Bitcoin. The 256 report starts now. 2025 is definitely going to be an interesting year for finance and especially Bitcoin. Here at Bitcoin Mining World, we talk about the future of Bitcoin mining. Join us every day on the 256 report for up-to-date news on what is happening in the Bitcoin mining space. But before we get into our top story, CleanSpark has exceeded its 2024 year-end target by reaching an operating hash rate of 37.5 exahash a second, with a fleet efficiency of 17.7 joules per terahash. The company has also powered up new data centers in Tennessee and Wyoming as part of a multi-stage process. After a recent $650 million convertible bond offering, CleanSpark has moved its 50 exahash target up to the first half of 2025. The expansion will be funded through greenfield development, organic growth, and strategic M&A. The company's hash rate has also grown almost 300% since the start of 2024, with operations across Georgia, Wyoming, Tennessee, Mississippi, and New York. CleanSpark's treasury is nearly 10,000 Bitcoin, all self-mined, which shows strong operational performance. In our top story, President-elect Donald Trump's support for Bitcoin has contributed to its price surge. With plans to establish a U.S. Bitcoin strategic reserve, Trump has appointed pro-Bitcoin figures like Bo Hines and Stephen Miran to key positions in his administration, signaling a positive stance towards crypto in general. Michael Sayler, MicroStrategy's founder, has proposed a digital asset framework to Trump, outlining a U.S. Bitcoin reserve that could generate significant wealth and solidify the U.S. dollar's position in the digital economy. Sayler's plan also envisions expanding global digital capital markets and U.S. dominance in the digital asset industry. The Bitcoin price has doubled since its summer lows, surpassing $100,000 amidst warnings to the Federal Reserve about the potential consequences of this policy. Trump's previous statements and actions, including his promise to create a strategic national Bitcoin reserve, and Senator Cynthia Lummis's introduction of a Bitcoin reserve bill, further highlight the growing importance of Bitcoin in the U.S. economic policy. With Russia poised to beat the U.S. to a Bitcoin reserve, Trump has pitched a capital markets renaissance fueled by Bitcoin to unlock trillions in wealth. By MicroStrategy founder Michael Sayler, a strategic digital asset policy can strengthen the U.S. dollar, neutralize the national debt, and position America as a global leader in the 21st century digital economy. Sayler wrote this in the so-called digital asset framework that he posted on X. What does this mean for the future of Bitcoin mining? With the U.S. government potentially establishing a Bitcoin reserve and appointing pro-Bitcoin figures to key positions, the regulatory environment for Bitcoin mining could become more favorable. This may lead to clearer regulations, increased institutional investment, and overall growth of the Bitcoin mining industry in the U.S. Of course, there's also been a Bitcoin price surge. The positive sentiment from the government and potential establishment of the Bitcoin reserve have contributed to this Bitcoin surge. A higher Bitcoin price generally translates into more profitability for miners, incentivizing further investment in mining operations and potentially attracting new entrants into the industry. America has a renewed focus to shift towards the digital asset industry. Sayler's proposal for a digital asset framework and U.S. dominance in the digital asset industry could lead to more resources and support for the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem, which could benefit Bitcoin mining. The overall positive tone towards Bitcoin and the potential government support could create a favorable environment for the industry's future growth and development in the U.S. There's never been a better time to be in the Bitcoin mining business. My name is John Taylor, and we'll see you tomorrow on the 256 Report.